Hi boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. Today we are working with multi-syllable words. Multi-syllable is when there is more than one syllable in the word. For example, our first word is tennis. The first thing we're going to do is find the vowels and underline them. E and I. Then we're going to divide the word into syllables. And the best way to find the syllables in word is between consonants. So I see a double consonant, N-N. So I'm going to divide my word in half right there. Tennis. Chin drop. Tennis. Clap it. Tennis. And then below that it says tally it. And it just wants us to tally how many letters there are in the word tennis. I see 6 letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finger space, 6. 6 tally marks. Our next multi-syllable word is the word subject. Subject. Please pause the video if you need more time to write subject. The next thing we're going to do is underline the vowels. And you don't need to change your color. You can just use a pencil. And then I'm going to divide the word subject into syllables. I see 2 consonants, B and G, right by each other. So I'm going to divide right in the middle of those consonants. Subject. Chin drop. Subject. Clap it. Subject. Very nice. Let's go ahead now and tally. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to start all the way over on the side so I have plenty of space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finger space, 6, 7. Our next multi-syllable word is magnet. Let's write magnet. Magnet. And it's a little tight, so you might need to write a little bit smaller. Going to underline my vowels. Remember, you don't need to change your color. I'm just doing it so it really pops out for us. And then we are going to divide the word magnet into syllables right between those consonants. Chin drop magnet. Magnet. Clap it. Magnet. Let's go ahead and tally now how many letters there are in the word magnet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finger space, 6. The next multi-syllable word is helmet. Helmet. Remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Then we're going to underline the vowels. I see an E that says and another E. Then we will divide the word helmet into syllables. Find those 2 consonants side by side, L and M, and I'm going to divide it right in between. Chin drop, helmet. Clap, helmet. And tally how many letters we see in the word helmet. finger space, 6. Our next word is until. T, I, O, until. Underline the vowels and divide the consonants. N and T, consonants side by side. I'm going to cut them right in half. Until. Chin drop. Until. Clap it. Until. How many letters? That's right, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, my friends, you can see that I've written the last 5 words out. The first word I wrote is hidden. So you will underline the vowels, divide the consonants, and tally how many letters are in the word hidden. Then we have index. Same thing there. Underline the vowels, divide the syllables in between the consonants, and tally the amount of letters you see. The next word is fitness. Underline the vowels, divide the syllables, tally how many letters. Then we have dentist. Underline the vowels, divide the syllables, tally the letters. And the last word is mitten. Underline the vowels, divide the syllables, and tally the amount of letters. You're going to do great. I believe in you. All right, my friends, please write your name at the top of your paper. Let's read our word bank together. We have, our first word is dinner. I see that ER control vowel saying Finger, finger. Another R controlled vowel. Erupt, erupt, like the volcano was about to erupt. ER says Then we have soccer. ER says Pepper. ER says Player. Slipper. Perch. Perch. And winter. Winter. So now we are going to write our words with the matching picture. So our first word is dinner. I see these two friends having dinner. Dinner. I like to cross it off when I'm done to help myself stay organized. And just for fun, I'm going to divide the word dinner into its multi-syllables. So I'm going to underline my vowels, and you don't have to do this. You can just watch me. And then I'm going to divide between those consonants. So our first syllable is din. Our second syllable is ner. Dinner. Clap it. Dinner. Way to go. Our next word is finger. Remember, I-N-G says ing. Then we have finger. Cross it off when I'm done. Erupt. The volcano is about to erupt. Same thing here. Just for fun, going to underline the vowels. Erupt. Divide my syllables. Ooh, this one's a little bit of a rule breaker. Upped. Upped. First syllable is second syllable is upped. Then we have soccer. Soccer. Pepper. Pepper. Ooh, let's do a chin drop with pepper. Pep. Pep. I hear two syllables in pepper. All right, I want you to finish the rest on your own with player, slipper, perch, and winter. When you're finished, please turn it into the basket and move on to Lexia. Way to go.